Today, let me introduce an innovative physiotherapy device, INTELECT PULS 50V. It combines with radial shockwaves and vibration therapies. It's a powerful partner in pain management. The device equipped with a 13.3-inch high-definition touchscreen. On the interface, you can choose from two different therapy modes: radial shockwaves and vibration therapies. Vibration therapies is a newly introduced technology designed to deliver localized vibrations that helps muscle achieve deep relaxation. The vibration handle has 3 working heads, meeting diverse treatment needs. The 40mm working head for large muscle relaxation, 20mm and 10mm working heads for precise pinpoint treatment. The most importantly, the vibration handle is designed for permanent use with no lifespan and limitation. Radial shockwave therapies widely applied in treating chronic pain, soft tissue injuries, even erectile dysfunction. You can freely adjust frequencies and energies by the screens or the handle buttons. Energies goes up to 10 bar. Frequency goes up to 21 Hz. The radial shockwave is equipped with multiple working heads, provides comprehensive solutions for pain management, span therapies, and facilities. Normally, we combine with radial shockwaves and vibration therapy, starting with shockwave treatment, followed by vibration therapy to relax the area and reduce discomfort after shockwave section. If you are looking for a device for pain management, check out INTELECT PULS 50V, your trust partners in pain relief. Want to know more? Click the link below and contact us.